This is my tracking hammer. Yeah.
We might have some interesting stuff here. Me and Paul might both eat up.
Yeah, these staples just have a way of working themselves out. It's probably not recommended to beat on the side of a beehive with a bunch of bees in it.
Especially some that already have an attitude.
Let's say do the back first before you decide to do the front. Yeah, come here and look at all these bees out on the front door. They ain't happy.
Good Lord, no they're not.
They're coming right after this hammer. Yeah, it's got a bad experience. I want to leave on a good note. Alright, that does it. We're done. I might have should have used a smaller hammer.
Stupid things that beekeepers do.